Paul Ross presents a lifestyle to love at 69 Milne Street Bayswater. Make a splash this coming summer and welcome your family and friends to this amazing 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom modern home set on a 662 square metre block in this sought-after pocket of Bayswater. Boasting a fantastic combination of day-to-day living and entertaining features, you'll be proud to call this property home for years to come. The living spaces are flooded with an abundance of natural light due to a clever design. If you love cooking and entertaining, the kitchen has everything you need to cook up a storm. And there is storage galore with one of the largest walk-in pantry we have seen for a long time. To the front of the home is a separate theatre room or activity room for the kids, with multiple options for TV points positioned. The stunning master bedroom comprises of a large walk-in robe and a gorgeous ensuite with his and hers basin and double shower. Outside has a spacious alfresco with a ceiling fan. This overlooks a sparkling below-ground saltwater pool. Your new home will be an oasis of peace, tranquility and privacy, with the bonus of an amazing outdoor area to entertain all your family and friends, whilst enjoying the lifestyle this pocket of Bayswater has to offer. 69 Milne Street is waiting for its new owners to move straight in and have the best ever housewarming party immediately. For more information, a personal viewing or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.